So I had to have the car running for like 5 minutes for this to it. But you can see this is an idle park and running at like about 1800 RPM. And just watch what happens here. I'm going to switch over to reverse. So there's reverse. Reverse it in about 1200. Here's neutral. It's jumping it way up there. It's trying to idle down, but it's not doing very well. 2000 RPM. Put it in drive. And drive sitting at 1300, which it shouldn't be. So I'm going to put it back in park here. And we're going to open the hood so you can take a look, because I'm not sure what's causing this. Okay, so I've already switched out everything from my working car from the throttle body here. So actually the throttle body itself has been switched out with my working car. These are all from the working car. The air control valve, the mass airflow sensor, the throttle position sensor, air temperature, the vacuum line that goes to the fuel pressure regulator and that solenoid. Now there is some oil burn here from down there. But beyond that, I don't know what's causing it to run this high. I'll try to get as many angles as I can for people. I apologize about the video. And that's actually good. See, now it corrected itself. No idea why, just did it. And it'll do this. It'll correct itself, and then it won't be fine. So if we go look now, that thing's going to be probably where they're supposed to be. They're actually still a little high, because it should be sitting about 1200 or about 800 RPM. And that's too high right now. So I'm going to kill the vehicle, start it back up. And now it's got the issue again. And it sounds like it's trying to correct itself. Up, and there it goes. And now it's at what it's supposed to be. Please help me figure out this issue. This is me.